Okay, good morning class. So this is the video for the class 7th. Chapter number 4 to continue here. Exercise 4th B. The question of 5th, arrange in ascending order. This is the rational number is given that we arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. Okay. So first of all, write the rational number is 2 by 5, 7 by 10, 8 by 15, 13 by 30. So, see, the denominator is not same, it's not constant. So, what to do? First step, we make the denominator equal. So, find the LCM of 5, 10, 15, 30. So 5 1 is 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 25 is 30. Then 2, 2 1 is 2, 3 as it is, 2 3 is 6. Then 3, 1 is 3, 1 is 3. So for the 10, 10 into 3, 30. So LCM is 30. The next step is, now we make the denominator equal. So 2 by 5 into multiply by 6. Then we get the 30. So numerator also multiply by 6. Then 7 by 10 is multiplied by 3. So numerator also multiply by 3. 8 by 15 is multiplied by 2. So numerator also multiply by 2. Then 30 by 30 is multiplied by 1 because it's already denominator is 30. Then 2 is the 12, 5 is the 30, 7 is 21, 10 is the 30. Then 8 to the 16, 15 to the 30. Then 13 by 30. So now 12 by 30, 21 by 30, 16 by 30, 13 by 30. So now we write this rational number in a ascending order. Ascending order. Okay. So ascending order is smaller number is denominator same. So we see the numerator. So 12 by 30. Then 13 by 30. Then 16 by 30. Then 21 by 30. But original rational number this one. So again we write according to the question. So 12 by 30 means 2 by 5. 7 by 13 by 30 means 13 by 30. Then 16 by 30 means it is 8 by 15. And 21 30 means 7 by 10. So this is our final answer. 2 by 5, 13 by 30, 8 by 15, 7 by 10. Please copy this. Okay. So our next question is question number 2nd. Minus 3 by 4. 5 by minus 12, minus 7 by 16, and 9 by minus 24. So first of all, those denominator is negative, that you change into positive. So what to do? Both numerator and this rational number, you multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1. So minus 3 by 4, so it is minus 5 by 12, then minus 7 by 16, then minus 9 by 24. Now we find the LCM 4, 12, 16 and 24. So 2 to the 4, 2 6 the 12, 2 8 the 16, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4. Then 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 6 the 12. Then 3 as it is, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. then 2, 3 as it is, 2 1 the 2, 3 as it is. Then 3 1 the 3, 1 1. So LCM is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 16, 16 into 3, 3 is the 18, 3 48. So LCM is 48. LCM is 48 of 4, 12, 16, 24. Now, the next step is we make the denominator equal 3 by 4. 4 is multiplied by which number that you get the 48. So it is 12. So numerator is multiplied by 12. 4 to the 8, 4 on the 4. Okay. Then minus 5 by 12 is multiplied by 4. So numerator is multiplied by 4. Then minus 7 by 16 is multiplied by 3. So numerator is multiplied by 3. The next number is minus 9 by 24 is multiplied by 2. So numerator is multiplied by 2. Now write 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3, 36, 48, 5 for 20, minus 20 by 48, then minus 7, 21, minus 21, 48, and minus 9 to the 18, minus 18 by 48. Now, we write according to the ascending order, means smaller to greater. So, smaller to greater means smaller number is minus 36, 36 by 48, then minus 21 by 48, then minus 20 by 48, then minus 18 by 48. That as a number we write according to the question way. So minus 36 by 48 means minus 3 by 4. Minus 21 by 48 means minus 7 by 16. And minus 20 by 48 means 5 by minus 12. And minus 18 by 48 means 9. This is minus 12. Okay, minus 7. Sorry, 9 by minus 24. Okay. This is our final answer. Please copy this. Okay. So here, the question number 6, the arrange in descending order. This lesson number is given. The arrange in descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. So question number first of 6th first, 2 by 5, 7 by minus 10, minus 11 by 15, 19 by 30. So denominator is not equal. So first of all, find the LCM, but we rearrange with the positive denominator. So negative denominator change into positive denominator. So 2 by minus 2 by 5, minus 7 by 10, then minus 15 by minus 11 by 15, 19 by 30. So LCM is, I think so 30 is same. Yes. LCM is 30. So minus 2 by 5 is multiplied to 6. Numerator is multiplied by 6. Minus 7 by 10 is multiplied to 3. Minus 11 by 15 is multiplied by 2. So numerator is multiplied by 2. 19 by 30 is multiplied by 1. Question is right, no? Just a minute. Yes. So minus 2 into 6 minus 12, 5 is a 30, minus 7 is 21, minus 21, 10 is a 30, minus 22 by 30, 19 by 30. So we write that according to the descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. It is minus 30, huh? So this is minus 90. Minus 30. That means here minus 19. Okay. So now arrange in a descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Which number is bigger than? This is all number. All the rational number is negative. So minus 12 is bigger. 12 by 30. According that minus 19 by 30. Bigger, no? Then minus 20, minus 21 by 30, and then minus 22 by 30. But according to the question, minus 2 by 30 means minus 2 by 5. Minus 19 by 30 means same, it is 19 by minus 30. Then minus 21 by 30 means it is 7 by minus 10. And minus, then it's minus 11 by 15. Okay? Copy this. Addition order. Second question. Minus 2 by 1 means minus 13 by 6, 8 by minus 3, 1 by 3. So minus 2 by 1, minus 13 by 6, minus 8 by 3, 1 by 3. So LCM is 6. 1, 6, 3, 3, LCM is 6. So minus 2 by 1 is multiplied to both numerator and denominator to 6. Minus 13 by 6 is multiplied to 1. Minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3, no? Question is 3 is multiplied to 2. And it is 1 by 3. It is 2. So minus 2 into 6, minus 12, 6, minus 13 by 6, minus 16 by 6, 2 and 2, 6. Now, this 3 is negative rational number. This is the positive, so bigger number is 2 by 6. Then minus 16 by minus 12 by 6. Then minus 13 by 6. Then minus 16 by 6. Then according to the question it is 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. Minus 12 by 6 it is minus 1 by minus 2. And minus 13 by 6 it is as it is. Then it is 8 by minus 3. Okay, please copy this. Okay, so class, this is a very important question. See the 5 rational number minus 3 and minus 2. If we see according to the integer wise, so it is difficult to find between the numbers minus 3 and minus 2. But we find the rational numbers, so that it is easy. So first of all, how you solve? So just follow only one method to find out. You find out the many numbers according to the questions. 500, 1000, 2000s. Okay. So find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 and 1. So first you write in a rational number minus 3 by 1 and minus 2 by 1. Now denominator is same. Okay. Then n is, we find the 5 rational numbers. So we take n plus 1. Means 5 plus 1. So it is 6. Number is given. How many number you find out? 5. So 5 plus 1. If they said find a 7 rational number, to take 6 plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. If you said find a 100 rational number, so what do you take? 100 plus 1. Okay. So then after minus 3 by 1. Now both the number, both numerator and denominator multiply by 6. And minus 2 by 1 into 6. So minus 3 is 18, 6 1 is 6. Minus 2 is 12, still 6. So now you find the many numbers, you don't count this one. Minus 18 by 6. Minus 17 by 6. Sorry, comma. Then minus 16 by 6. Minus 15 by 6. Between the numbers, minus 18 and minus 12 between the numbers. Okay. Minus 14 by 6. Then minus 13 by 6. And minus 12 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rational number. Minus 17 by 6, minus 16 by 6, minus 15 by 6, minus 14 by 6, minus 13 by 6. Okay. One more example. Question number 10 you see. Find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 2. Number is minus 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 2. Now n plus 1 is equal to, n is 5 rational number, so 5 plus 1 is 6. But here the number are, denominator is not constant. So first of all we make the denominator equal. So minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 2, this is multiplied by 2 and this is multiplied by 5, both numerator and denominator. So minus 3 is 6, 5 to 10 and minus 5 by 10. Now we multiply by both numerator and denominator by 6. Both sides. Both the rest numbers. So minus 6 into 6, 36, 60, 30, 60. Then write up between the number of minus 36 by 60 and minus 30 by 60. So minus 36 by 60, minus 35 by 60, then next minus 34 by 60, minus 33 by 60, minus 32 by 60, minus 31 by 60, then last is minus 31. This is, we count only this between the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.